John Christopher, Johnny Depp Roman II, born June 9, 1963, is an American actor, film producer, and musician. He has won the Golden Globe Award and Screen Actors Guild Award for Best Actor. He rose to prominence on the 1980 television series 21 Jump Street, becoming a teen idol. Since then, Depp has taken on challenging and larger-than-life roles, starting with a supporting role in Oliver Stone's Platoon in 1986, then playing the title character in Edward Scissorhands, 1990. He later found box office success in Sleepy Hollow, 1999, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl, 2003, and its sequels, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, 2005, Alice in Wonderland, 2010, and Rango, 2011. He has collaborated on 8 films with director and friend Tim Burton.